Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss Moivre's transformation and its applications. Now, problems based on Moivre's transformation or bilinear transformations. Problem first. So that the transformation W equal 2z plus 3 upon z minus 4. Maps the circles x square plus y square minus 4x equal 0 onto the straight line 4u plus 3 equal 0. To stop, explain why the curve obtained is not a circle. Answer. W equal 2z plus 3 upon z minus 4 is a given transformation. Now by cross multiplication, then z equal 4w plus 3 upon w minus 2 represented by equation first is a inverse transformation. Of given transformation. Now the equation x square plus y square minus 4x equal to 0. Now value of x square plus y square is z bar minus 2 z plus z bar is value of the value of z equal to x plus iy. Now z bar x minus iy, then multiplication of both x square plus y square. Now we add the value of z and z bar, this is equal to 2x. Now putting the value of 2x in this, then we get this is equal to 0. Now putting the value of z and z bar in this, 4w plus 3 upon w minus 2, 4w bar, this is conjugate of w, plus 3 upon w bar minus 2 minus k2, value of z minus 2, value of z 4w plus 3 upon w minus 2 plus value of w bar this is equal to 0. Now taking LCM and multiplied this, we get 16 w bar plus 12 w plus w bar plus 9 minus 2 4w bar 8w plus w bar plus 4w w bar minus 12, this is equal to 0. Now 12 W plus W bar plus 9 plus 10 W plus W bar plus 24 equal to 0. That is 22 W plus W bar plus 33, this is equal to 0. Now 11 is common, then we get 2 W plus W bar plus 3 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of W plus W bar is equal to 2U plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 4U plus 3, this is equal to 0. It is the equation of straight line. It is not a circle in W plane. Now problem second. Discuss the application of the transformation W equal to IZ plus 1 upon Z plus I to the areas in the Z plane which are respectively inside and outside the unit circle with its center at the origin. Now solution. W is equal to IZ plus 1 upon Z plus I is a given transformation. Now putting the value of Z, Ix minus Y plus 1, X plus Iy plus I, this is equal to 1 minus I real part plus Ix upon X plus I Y plus 1. Now we multiply and divide with the complex conjugate of denominator. Now X minus I Y plus 1, X minus I Y plus 1, then we get, now putting the value of W, U plus IV equal to minus I 1 minus Y square plus Ix square plus X 1 minus Y plus X 1 plus Y upon X square plus 1 plus Y whole square. Now comparing, U equal X into 1 minus Y plus X into 1 plus Y upon X square plus 1 plus Y whole square, and V equal X square plus Y square minus 1 upon X square plus 1 plus Y whole square, 1 plus Y whole square. This is equal to Z modulus square minus 1 upon x square plus y x square plus y plus 1 whole square. This is represented by equation number first. It is clear that what is clear? First part, v is equal to 0 or z modulus is equal to 1. Z square modulus is equal to 1. That is z modulus is equal to 1. That is v is equal to 0 is real axis of the W plane. Real axis of W plane corresponds to v equal to 0 real axis of W plane correspond to z square plus 1, that is z square equal to plus 1, that is z modulus is equal to 1. That is boundary of the unit circle. Boundary of circle z modulus is equal to 1. Now v is equal to 0 is the real axis of W plane correspond to the boundary of the unit circle. Now second part or condition, if v greater than 0, that is upper half of the W plane correspond z modulus square minus 1 greater than 0 or z modulus greater than 1, that is exterior of circle. Exterior of circle. Exterior region of the unit circle denoted by z modulus greater 1. Now third part or third condition, v less than 0, if v less than 0, that is lower half of W plane, lower half of W plane corresponds to z modulus lesser 1, that is interior of circle z modulus is equal to 1. Now explain with the help of graph. This is z plane. This is the unit circle. Now it is denoted by exterior area of the unit circle. Now it is exterior area of unit circle and it is interior area of unit circle. Now x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash correspond to the W plane. Now u axis, that is real axis of W plane, v axis, imaginary axis of W plane, Now exterior now it is interior. This is the exterior area correspond in this region. This is upper half of plane. Upper half of plane. Now this is the interior area of Z plane. Interior area of Z plane correspond to the lower half plane of W. This is equal to O. Now we can say given transformation transforms upper half of the Z plane onto the upper half of the W plane, and lower half correspond to the interior area of the unit circle. Now next problem 3. So that the transformation W equal 5 minus 4Z upon 4Z minus 2. Transform the circle Z modulus is equal to 1 into a circle of radius unity in W plane and find the center of the circle. In W plane. Now given transformation W equal to 5 minus 4Z upon 4Z minus 2. Now cross multiply 4WZ minus 2W equal to 5 minus 4Z, that is Z is equal to 2W plus 5 upon 4W plus 4. This is inverse transformation of given transformation. Now Z modulus is equal to 1, that is we can write Z bar equal to 1. Now putting the value of Z, 2W plus 5 upon 4W plus 4. Now Z bar 2W bar plus 5 4W bar plus 4. This is equal to 1. Now we solve 4W bar plus 10 W plus W bar plus 25 equal to 16 W bar plus 16 W plus W bar plus 16. Now solving we get 12 W bar plus 6 W plus W bar minus 9 equal to 0. Now 3 is common. 4 W bar plus 2 W plus W bar minus 3 equal to 0. That is w bar plus 1 upon 2 w plus w bar minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Since value of w bar u square plus v square, now value of w plus w bar is equal to 2u, that is it will be u minus 3 by 4 equal to 0. This is a equation of circle. Equation of circle of center minus g minus f, that is minus 1 upon 2 comma 0, and radius equal to under root minus g square minus f square plus c. This is minus c, sorry. This is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 0 plus 3 by 4. This is equal to 1. This is the complete solution. Next problem. Problem 4. Find the image of x square plus y square minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 under the mapping w equal z minus I upon iz minus 1. Answer: w equal to z minus I upon iz minus 1. Now iwz minus w equal to z minus I. Now z wi minus 1, this is equal to w minus I, that is z is equal to w minus I upon wi minus 1. Now putting the value of z, x plus iy is equal to u plus iv minus I upon iu minus v minus 1. This is equal to u plus I v minus 1 upon iu minus v plus 1. This is equal to x plus iy. Now x minus iv, taking conjugate of above, then we get u minus I v minus 1 upon minus iu minus v plus 1. It is represented by equation 2. This is equation first. Now we multiply both, then we get x square plus y square is equal to u square plus v minus 1 whole square upon u square plus v plus 1 whole square. Now we subtract from equation number 2 from equation number 1. Then we get 2iy equal to minus 2iu square minus 2iv square minus 1 upon u square plus v plus 1 whole square. Hence x square plus y square minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 transform into the value of x square plus y square is equal to this u square plus v minus 1 whole square upon u square plus v plus 1 whole square. Now value of y 4 u square plus v square minus 1 upon u square plus v plus 1 whole square plus 2 equal to 0 implies u square plus v minus 1 whole square plus 4 u square plus v square minus 1 bracket plus 2 u square plus v plus 1 whole square. This is equal to 0. Now solving, we get 7 u square plus v square plus 2v minus 1. This is equal to 0. This is the image of x square plus y square minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 in W plane. Now next problem, problem 5. So that under the transformation W equal z minus I upon z plus I, the real axis in z plane is mapped into the circle W modulus is equal to 1 watt portion of the z plane correspond to the interior of the circle, Now given transformation W equal to z minus I upon z plus I. So the real axis in z plane that is y is equal to 0, that is z equal to x only, transforms into W equal x minus I upon x plus I. Now x minus I whole square upon x square plus 1. Taking modulus, W modulus. Now solving this, we get x square minus 1 minus 2yx upon x square plus 1. This is equal to under root modulus x square minus 1 whole square upon x square plus 1 whole square plus 4 x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now this is equal x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square plus 4x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now this is equal to under root x square plus 1 whole square upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now cancel this by, that is W modulus is equal to 1. It is a circle in W plane whose center 0 and radius 1. Put z is equal to I, we get W is equal to 0. Hence the half z plane above the real axis correspond to the interior of the circle W modulus is equal to 1. This is a complete solution. Now next problem. Problem 6. Prove that W equal Z upon 1 minus Z makes the upper half of the Z plane, makes the upper half of the Z plane onto the upper half of the W plane What is the image? What is the image of the circle Z modulus equal to 1 under the transformation? Under the transformation. Now solution. W equal Z upon 1 minus Z is a given transformation, that is x plus iy upon 1 minus x minus iy. Now u plus iv equal to x plus iy upon 1 minus x minus iy. Now multiply and divide the conjugate of denominator 1 minus x plus iy. Now comparing after multiplication of numerator, now denominator is 1 minus x whole square plus y square. Now numerator x into 1 minus x minus y square plus I into y 1 minus x plus xy. Now comparing u equal x into 1 minus x plus y square upon 1 minus x whole square plus y square, and imaginary part v equal y into 1 minus xy cancel y xy. Now in numerator part only y upon 1 minus x whole square plus y square. Now upper half of W plane, upper half of W plane is v greater than 0. Upper half of W plane v greater than 0. Now putting the value of v, y upon 1 minus x whole square plus y square greater than 0 imply y greater than 0. That is, which is a upper half of Z plane, which is a upper half of Z plane. Hence the given transformation, makes the upper half of W plane, upper half of the W plane onto the upper half of Z plane. Now again z equal w upon 1 plus w. Now z modulus is equal to 1 implies w upon 1 plus w modulus is equal to 1. That is w modulus is equal to 1 plus w modulus. Now squaring both sides. That is u plus iv modulus square 1 plus u plus iv modulus square. That is u square plus v square. Now 1 plus u square plus v square. That is u square plus v square 1 plus u square plus 2u plus v square. U square v square cancel both sides. Now we get 2u plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a straight line. Which is a straight line in w plane. Hence the image of the circle. Hence the image of the circle z modulus is equal to 1 is the straight line. Is the straight line. 2u plus 1 is equal to 0 in w plane. This is a complete solution.